गजाननं
गजाननं
भूतगणाधिसेवितं
भूतगणाधिसेवितं
कपित्तजम्बूफलसारभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम्। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनम्। सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनम्। सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनम्। ध्यानम्। अरुणां करुणातरङ्गिताक्षीं धृतपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पबाणचापाम् अणिमादिभिरावृतां मयूखैः अहमित्येव विभावये भवानी। We did the verses from Gayatri, right? Let's do from number 91. गायत्री व्याहृतिः सन्ध्या द्विजबृन्दनिषेविता तत्त्वासना तत्त्वमयी पञ्चकोशान्तरस्थिता निस्सीममहिमा नित्ययौवना मदशालिनी मदघूर्णितरक्ताक्षी मदपाटलगण्डभूः. Right? We did till there. So we understood that Amma is Gayatri Devi herself. So Gayatri Devi is the one who protects us, who gives us the life force energy to us. And we all pray her, and she is prayed by, worshipped by Dvija Brinda, who are born twice, which means we are born first, and then after initiation and getting knowledge from Guru, that is like taking again second birth for us, and then we do all the practices that we do. Even doing our Shri Vidya, connecting to Amma, doing these practices during the Sandhya Vandanam, during the Sandhya periods, which are the morning, afternoon and evening times. Then we can know about the real Amma. We can get connected to Amma. Just chanting our Lalita Sahasranam itself is also like Gayatri for all of us. People who are initiated into Gayatri Mantra, for them Gayatri Mantra is the practice. But for all of us, if we are not initiated through a Guru into Gayatri Mantra and all, just connecting to Amma during these 3 Sandhya periods, or there is one more Sandhya, midnight, that comes. That is when we say, it is said Lingodbhavam, where we all pray during Shivaratri, right? So that comes at 12 o'clock in the midnight. So praying all these Sandhya times, we can connect to Amma deeply. And Amma is present everywhere, outside us, in the world, and within us. In the Pancha Koshas, we saw there are 5 different layers that we have. Our body is made of Annamaya Kosha, Pranamaya Kosha, Manomaya Kosha, Vijnanamaya Kosha, and Anandamaya Kosha. And she is in the last end, the center of everything. She is the core of everything. As we go deeper and deeper, as we connect with her deeply, then we will get to realize her. She is also present in all the tattvas. It is said that there are 24 tattvas, like our 5 panchabhutas. We all know, right? Earth, water, fire, air, space, Then 5 Jnanendriyas, 5 Karmendriyas, the organs of action, the organs of perception through which we get to know things like eyes, nose, we get to know all the sensual perceptions. Then Pancha Pranas we have Prana, Apana, Vyana, Udana, Samana, like that. There are 5 pranas. And then we have Manasu, mind, Buddhi, intelligence. Then we have the ego, where we always say, I am doing this, I have done this, I know this, right? So that is the Ahankara we have. And Chittam is another thing. Chittam is all that we store, all the memories that we have, that is Chittam. So together 24 tattvas are there. And Gayatri Mantra also has 24 syllables, okay? So that is connected. So with the Gayatri Mantra, connecting to Amma during Sandhya periods, we can get connected to the one who is present in all the koshas, all the tattvas within us. That is the real Amma. And we can get connected to her. Oh, how is that Amma? She is unlimited, Nissima Mahima. Her glory is unlimited, unimaginable. And she is always youthful, Nitya Yavana, energetic, full of energy and youthfulness. She can never become old or weak or sick. And she is Madashalini, Madagurnita Raktakshi, Madapatala Gandabhuhu. So in that full enthusiasm, she can do anything, right? Energetically. So she is called Mada. She is having that charm, enthusiasm to do anything. I can do perfectly, efficiently. So she has that quality. That is said to be as Madashalini, Madagurnita. Her eyes and cheeks are all shining with that happiness and bliss that she is enjoying with. That is what is Ghurnita means. Her eyes are wide open and very happy. Then her Ganda means her cheeks. Patala means red in color. So everything related to her is red. She's blissful always. She is shining and blissful. That is what we saw last week. Okay. Any doubts you have in those verses?
Clear.
Clear. Okay. Let's go to the new verses then. Who would like to chant with me? Okay, Akshaya. Let's do.
Okay.
From 93rd one. Chandanadrava.
Chandanadrava. Chandanadrava.
Digdhangi.
Digdangi. Digdangi.
Chandanadrava digdhangi.
Chandanadrava digdangi.
Chandanadrava.
Chandanadrava digdangi.
Champeya.
Champeya. Champeya.
Kusumapriya.
Kusumapriya. Kusumapriya.
Champeya kusumapriya.
Champeya Kusumapriya.
Chandanadrava digdhangi.
Chandadrava digdangi. Chandadrava digdangi.
Champeya kusumapriya.
Champeya Kusumapriya. Champeya Kusumapriya.
Kushala komalakara.
Kushala komalakara. Kusula komalakara.
Kurukulla.
Kurukulla. Kurukulla.
Kuleshwari.
Kuleshwari. Kuleshwari.
Kushala komalakara.
Kushala komalakara. Kushala komalakara.
Kurukulla Kuleshwari.
Kurukulla Kuleshwari. Kurukulla Kuleshwari.
Kulakundalaya.
Kulakundalaya.
Kaulamarga.
Kaulamarga.
Tatparasevita.
Tatparasevita.
Good. Kumaragananathamba.
Kumara Gananathamba.
Very good. Once more.
Kumara Gananathamba.
Tushtif Pushti.
Pushtir.
Once more.
Pushtir.
Matir Dhritihi.
Matirditihi.
Tushti Pushtir Matir Dhritihi.
Pushtir. Mahishritihi.
Matir Dhritihi.
Matirditihi.
Very good. Kumaragananathamba.
Kumara Gananathamba. Kumara Gananathamba.
Tushtif Pushtir.
Pushtir.
Matir Dhritihi.
Matirditihi.
Shanti.
Shanti.
Once more.
Shanti.
Swastimate.
Swastimati.
Kantir.
Kantir.
Shanti Swastimati Kantir.
Shanti. Swastimati. Kantir.
Once more.
Shanti. Swastimati. Swastimati Kantir.
Nandini Vignanashini.
Nandini Vignanashini.
Shanti Swastimati Kantir. Shanti Swastimati.
Shantir Swastimati Kantir.
Good. Shanti Swastimati Kantir.
Shanti Swastimati Kantir.
Nandini Vignanashini.
Nandini Vignanashini.
Very good. Okay. Now what is happening? Amma is being completely filled with Chandana, Drava, Digdhangi. So many devatas are there, right? Surrounding Amma. Amma is in the center. And around her, so many devatas are there who are serving her, worshipping her. And they are all applying Chandana. Chandana means sandalwood to Amma. They are all giving bath to her, applying the sandalwood. Sandal, we know, right? It will have beautiful fragrance. How beautiful it smells. So Chandana Drava Digdhangi. All the other devatas like Ananga Kusuma, all devatas, they apply this Chandanam Digdhangi. So all the angas, all the body parts, they are applying. And Champeya Kusuma Priya. So Amma is also offered with, and she likes Champeya Kusuma. Kusuma is the flower. Which flower? Champeya. Champeya means golden. The flower which is golden in color. It is called like Sampenga Puvu, we say. It will be little goldenish color. Not like gold, but orangish kind. That is called Sampenga Puvu. We say that is Champeya Kusuma Priya. It also means that Amma has beautiful qualities, right? All good qualities. How how compassionate she is, how sweet, how kind. With that, because of that, she does everything for us. She gives us whatever we want. Correct? So that quality of sweetness, that fragrance is what is Chandanadrava. And she gives, spreads everywhere to all of them. Whoever is connected to Amma, we are all blessed with her compassion. And she is Kushala. Kushala means she is very expert, very much expert. Kushala, expert in what? She does so many things for us, right? All the creation itself is a miracle. How things are happening, how planets are moving, how various actions within our body are happening, digestion. So liver is doing so many actions, our eyes are watching, hands are moving, so many things happening, right? Plants, animals. So Kushala, so she is managing everything, the whole universe so well. That is, she's Kushala, she's Komala, and she's doing everything very gently, with very gentleness, sweetness and gentleness. That is sensitive. So she's Komala and Akara. So her form is very gentle. Kurukulla Kuleshwari. So she is, Amma is called Kurukulla Devi. Where she is Kula Ishwari. So we saw earlier, right? Kuleshwari. What is Kulam? Yeah, Surya?
Race.
Yeah, Kulam is, one meaning is race. Correct. Means one kind of sect. It is a different groups. Like that, they are one group. Also, it is like lineage, like family lineage. This Kulam, that Kulam, it's this kind of race, that race. Also, like we saw a lineage, there will be a lineage of gurus and sishyas. It continues. So guru will have a sishya, and there will have again later so many different disciples. So it continues from original, from one guru, the tradition goes on continuing. So that is a kula. Right. So here, what is our kulam? Within our body, outside, so many races, sex groups are there, lineages are there. So within our body, we have to see and trace where Amma is. So she is within our body, our spinal cord, the Sushumna. We have, right, 3 nadis that are flowing within our body. So center one is Sushumna nadi, and right and left are Ida nadi and Pingala nadi, they say. And all these different 7 chakras are there. They are the Kulam. So Kulam is the first 6 chakras, this group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Till here is called Kulam. And above that is called, the Sahasrara Chakram is Akulam. So the Amma who is flowing and enjoying the energy, she is Kurukulla. That is the Kulam. The Ishwari who is there in all these chakras, who is flowing in Sushumna Nadi, the center one. She is Kurukulla Devi. Okay. So now let's go back. Kurukulla Kuleshwari. So Amma is Kurukulla and she is the Ishwari. She is the one who, the controller, the goddess of that Kurukulla, the Sushumna Nadi place. Okay. And she is Kula Kundalaya. So where she is located? Alaya means she is staying. Where is she staying? Kunda. Like Homa Kunda we say, right? Where we do yagnas. Like that, the Kunda. Kunda is yagna place. Like a pot. So within our body, where it is Kula Kundalaya. Now we have the Kula. So this is our Kula. So in that, Kunda is at the bottom chakra. The lowest part is Kunda, the Mooladhara chakra. Okay. That is Kula Kundalaya. So Amma is located there. There the energy is in dormant state. Only when it flows above, then only one chakra we cross and we can reach Sahasrara. So the lowest is Kundam. So Kula Kundalaya Amma is staying, the energy is there in the dormant state at Mooladhara Chakra. Kuru Kundalaya Kaula Marga Tatpara Sevita. So Kaula Marga means the path through which the energy is flowing and the individual is concentrating, focused through this yogic path is called Kula Kundalaya Kaula Marga, the path of yoga and focusing on the energy in the Kundalini, the place of all the chakras. Through this path of moving of energy through these chakras is called Kaula Marga. So that path is called Kaula Marga, and moving through that is the Kulam. Kula Kundalaya Kaula Marga Tatpara Sevita. Tatpara means people who are all devotees or disciples who are interested in that. Tat means that. What is that? That is the ultimate reality. That is the self. Tat, we say, right? Om Tat Sat, Om Tat Brahma, like that. So that means the absolute one, which doesn't have name, form. So because it doesn't have any name or form, we say it as that. We refer it as that. So Tat Para. Para means whoever is interested in that ultimate thing. Tat Para Sevita. So they all worship Amma through the Kulam, the Kaula Marga, the path of Kaula is called Kaula Marga. The devotees worship. Whoever is interested in realizing their self, they worship through the Kaula Marga, the path of Kulam. Okay, is it confusing? So just understand, whoever is connected to Amma through these chakras by focusing, meditating, through yoga practices, whoever is trying to realize their self, trying to connect to the divine through this meditation and yoga practices, through the path of Kaula Marga, they all reach Amma, they get connected to their self. Okay, that is what is Kaula Marga, the path of yoga. We can say in short, yoga and meditation. Through that, see, there are different paths, right? People can do devotion, lot of bhajans, bhakti. They will keep a statue of the Ishta Devata, whoever we like Rama, Krishna, Devi. And then when we do, that is Bhakti Marga. Then people do service, lot of selfless service actions people do for others. That is called Karma Yoga. Jnana Yoga, lot of intellectual thinking is Jnana Yoga. And this is the path of yoga, where they do meditation and connect to Amma within us through the chakras. That is Kaula Marga. Okay? Hope it is clear. Okay, then now comes the interesting part. Do we have time? I think we have less time. We'll do next week. So this next part is about our Ganesha. We just celebrated Lord Ganesha's birthday, right? So it is said Amma is, Devi is Amma of Kumara and Gananatha. So of Lord Ganesha and Subramanya Swami, Kartikeya Swami. She is Amma, and they make us Tushti, Pushti, Matir, Dhriti. So they give us lot of physical strength, mental strength, lot of intelligence. How Ganesha is, right? So huge, very big head, lot of intelligence and huge body, physical strength also she will give, like that. And then she is Amma for all of us, not just Kumara and Gananatha. That we'll see next week then. We have little less time. Okay, let us repeat these verses that we learned. 93 to 94. 3 verses. Chandanadrava digdhangi champeya kusuma प्रिया कुशला कोमलाकारा कुरुकुल्ला कुलेश्वरी कुलकुण्डालया कौलमार्गतत्परसेविता. Okay. Anybody would like to chant individually? Okay, Sitara.
चन्दनाद्रावदिग्धाङ्गी चाम्पेय कुसुमप्रिया कुशला कोमलाकारा कुरुकुला कुलेश्वरी कुला कुण्डालया कौला मार्गतत्परसेविता.
Awesome. Good job. Here it is Drava, not Drava. Chandana Drava. That's the only correction. Very good. Next, anybody else? Okay, Surya.
चन्दनाद्रवदिग्धाङ्गी चाम्पेय कुसुमप्रिया कुशला कोमलाकारा कुरुकुल्ला कुलेश्वरी कुलकुण्डालया कौला मार्गतत्परसेविता.
Very good. Awesome. Next. Prahash, would you like to do? Okay, go ahead if you are trying. Unmute yourself. You have to unmute. Click that. Yes. Together you chant.
Chandana slow.
Start.
Dravadidhangi champeya kusumapriya kushala komalakara kurukulla kuleshwari kulakundalaya kaula margatatparasevita kumar.
No, that's good enough. We'll do that next week. No problem. We'll do it again next week. That's good. Perfect. Okay. Anybody else would like to say? Okay then. Let's close the class. Any questions? No? All good. You're all smart kids. Okay, let's do the prayers. Okay. Annapurne Sada Purne Shankarah Pranavallabhe Jnana-vairagya siddhartham bhiksham tehi cha Parvati Sarvamangala-mangalye shive sarvartha-sadhike Sharanye Trayambike Devi Narayani Namostute Sarve bhavantu sukhinah Sarve santu niramayaah Sarve bhadrani pashyantu ma kaschit dukha bhag bhavet. Om shanti shanti shanti. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om